Hi everyone, I'm Chris from Coleman Mach, an Air Excel brand. Today I am going to show you how to improve the interior air quality of your coach by replacing your existing AC air filters with a brand new Merv 6 upgraded filter. The benefits of Merv 6 over your standard filter are that Merv 6 will take out dust mites, spores, household dust, some mold, pet dander, and other things. If you Google Merv 6, you'll find out exactly why it's an upgrade over our standard air filter. These filters come in two sizes, and that's going to depend on whether or not you have ducted or non-ducted ACs. So you might want to take a quick measurement before you go into the retailer to make sure you get the right size. You will need one package for each AC, and the package has two air filters, one filter for the left side and one filter to the right side of your AC. Coleman Mach recommends that you change these out every 90 days of air conditioner use to optimize not only your air quality, but the performance of the air conditioner. You can do this in about 5 minutes with no hand tools. It's super easy. I'll show you how it's done right now. So let's get started. So I'm going to be working overhead, and there might be dust or other particles that come down when I take out the old air filter. So it's always advisable to have a little bit of eye protection when you do this. What you want to do is locate these little finger tabs and push them in so that it bends the cover and it comes right out. It's held in place with two little tabs. I'm going to remove the existing air filter, and this one's clean because I'm in a brand new coach. Yours might be a little dirty. And all you do is slide it out because there's two little tabs that hold that in place. To put the new one in, you pretty much do the exact opposite. And when you put this in, make sure that these plastic pieces are facing down towards you. And that's how you know it's in the right orientation. I'm just gonna slide it in on these little tabs. That's in place. And then to put the cover back on, I put these tabs in the little slots. And then push a little bit, bend it, and then there are 3 tabs that will go right into place. And that's basically that. Now you've got a nice new Merv 6. Of course, I'm going to put the second one in on the other side. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped out, and have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'd also like to thank Lazy Days RV. These products and a wide array of others can be found in the Coleman Mach Climate Control Accessories section of your local RV retailer. Now let's go out and enjoy our RV.